Alright, 575 Dallas, Texas. Got the Nelson antenna hooked up and it's working well. SWRs are a little on the high side. 1.3 or so on 1 and 1.5 on 40. But I can work with that. But that's it right there. And then it goes over to the fence. And then up to my chimney. This is the 65-foot end-fed half-wave Nelson antenna. Had to tune it here at the end, probably about 6 inches from there to there, maybe 9 inches, to bring the SWRs down. And then counterpoise, just an old extension cord with the end cut off. We're here for a counterpoise. The quality of this antenna is amazing. Shane does a fantastic job. Yes, this is an antenna for 10 to 40 meters, and I use it on 11 meters only. Huge shout out to 322. He helped me put this up. Recently had some heart surgery done, and I'm not able to get on ladders, lift heavy things. So he and I worked this past weekend and got it all set up. Man, you can just barely see that wire. That's awesome. I do not live in an HOA, but I didn't want a big pole hanging in the air. And the coax goes around. Since I had 100 foot from a previous installation, it goes around and up, down the fence, and out towards the shack. That's it. Nelson half-wave end-fed, 10 to 40 meters with a counterpoise, tuned as best as we can get it. 1.3 on 1 and 1.5 on 40. I may eventually get an antenna tuner and touch it up so it's flat. But right now it's working well. Down the line here. You can install these any way you want. The preferred way is a sloper. But you can do it however you'd like in Shane's directions. So I've kind of got it at a zigzag. You can do it in an inverted L, zigzag, square, just a sloper. It's recommended to have the end-fed point about 4 foot off the ground, 4 to 5 foot. So I think we're about there. That counterpoise is about 3 foot long, and there's probably, I don't know, 6 inches, 9 inches from the ground, so I think we're good. Alright, 575 Dallas, Texas. Shout out to 322 for helping me get this up.